I think we are all ready to be dazzled.
There's no room for mistakes.
I'm ready to take it all.
Don't underestimate a pop-up chef.
My heart feels like it's working overtime watching this.
Are you kidding me?
I'm loud, and my food is even louder.
Yeah.
That 30 minutes is not your friend.
Oh! We've never seen one like this.
I think we just lost the chef.
This has been unprecedented.
This is my worst nightmare.
Oh, no. You need to probably go to the hospital.
Hello, chefs.
Hey, how you doing, Ted?
Hello.
There are 3 rounds. Mandatory mystery ingredients for each course.
Oh my God, oh my God.
If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped.
Not today.
First things first, please acquaint yourself with whatever is in these. Open up your appetizer baskets.
Whoa!
And here we go. It's fruity cereal crisps, rock shrimp, enoki mushrooms, and birria ramen. 20 minutes.
Let's go.
Time starts now.
Let's go.
Behind.
Let's go.
Ah la la. Shrimp toast is typically made with a paste or a mousse made from shrimp and egg whites.
I am making rock shrimp fritters with raised enoki mushrooms and a miso gravy. I'm thinking that I can use the noodles as well as some of the meat from the birria ramen. And I'm gonna be using my fruity cereal crisps as a part of the breading.
I am doing a fried shrimp
Behind, chef.
with a cilantro and ginger glaze. I grab a blender and I'm throwing in some soy sauce, some mirin, cilantro as well, some ginger. I am competing for my wife Taylor and my baby that is not yet born.
I'm making a rock shrimp fritter with a miso enoki ramen sauce. The inspiration for this dish kind of comes from the Southern tradition of if you don't know what to do with it, throw it in the fryer.
I start coating my fritters with the breading.
5 minutes to get it done, chefs.
I realize I need to start plating. I'm gonna chop up some scallions.
I really cut myself.
Wrap it up, come back, make it happen.
I honestly think we just lost the chef.
I think I'm losing.
The medic is trying to help me. She's trying to stop the bleeding. The bleeding does not stop.
I don't think it's not gonna hold together.
She wasn't even ready to plate her dish, and she is still getting bandaged by the medic right now.
Yeah, I'm just done.
Beat the clock, chefs. Get it done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Time's up.
Obviously, Tess cannot continue the competition, so none of you will be going home this round. But we are going to taste your food because that all goes into our judgment for who the winner will be at the end.
Chef Andrew, tell us about your dish.
In front of you, you have shrimp toast with braised mushrooms and aromatic herbs.
The bread and the butter is amazing, and the crunch on that is really good. And I love the mushrooms with the ramen broth.
Chef Bree, what have you made?
So judges, for you today, I have a rock shrimp fritter and a miso enoki mushroom ramen sauce.
Yeah, right. It has like a dim sum vibe that I'm into.
Thank you, chef.
Next up, Chef Giuseppe.
Today you guys will be eating a buttered shrimp with a ginger and cilantro glaze, as well as a celery and cilantro enoki salad on top.
They're impenetrably salty. Take a deep breath, cook simple, and make the protein of what the main dish is really, really stand out.
Open it up. You've got elk tenderloin, Turkish delight, broccoli rabe, and green bean ice pops. 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's doable.
Clock starts now.
All right, guys.
Redemption time. I'm making seared elk tenderloin with Pollocker braised broccoli rabe and a tomato Turkish delight jam. All right.
I know that I need to get this broccoli rabe blanched, so I drop the entire bundle in salted water. For my entree, I'm making roasted elk Israeli couscous with broccoli rabe pesto.
I'm making seared elk tenderloin with a broccoli rabe and a sweet potato puree. I decided to make a sweet potato puree because the elk may be kind of gamey, and so I needed some sweet to balance it out.
All right, less than 10 minutes left, chefs. Let's go.
Third.
Oh, mazel tov.
2 minutes chefs, you should be plating, wrapping it up here.
Only seconds remain. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Food on the plate.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Bree, please tell us how you approached that basket.
Today you have a seared elk over a bed of green bean ice pop polenta, some broccoli rabe braised in a pot liquor, and I turned the Turkish delights into a jelly of sorts.
Polenta was great. I've had so much bad polenta, I cannot tell you. As a chef in the last 40 years, it's just always under-seasoned. It's like glue. This is very good.
Next up, Chef Giuseppe.
Today you guys will be having a seared elk with a sweet potato puree and a broccoli rabe and green bean ice pop cream sauce.
Chef, your elk is really overcooked. And that glaze from the Turkish delight candy, on the outside gave it a heavy-duty char. The green sauce that you made is a really nice addition. I mean, I can taste a lot of the flavors for sure.
Thank you, Chef.
Finally, Chef Andrew.
Judges, in front of you, you have roasted elk tournedos, broccoli rabe, pesto.
There's so many components on this plate. This feels like a triathlon. Like, check, 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 check. You're checking boxes.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Giuseppe, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Giuseppe, we loved having you here. Unfortunately, your elk was really overcooked. And so we had to chop you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity to be here.
Good luck with the baby.
Thank you.
Chef Bree, Chef Andrew, you have made it to the dessert round. Open it up. Bologna, oranges, pistachio cream, Spanish windtort. The final half hour starts now.
All right, chefs, make us some
Sugar,
sweet
sugar, sugar.
treats.
I'm making honey cornbread with pistachio cream and a bologna brittle. I typically make savory cornbread, as is tradition in the South, but for this, I need to at least lean a little bit sweet. So I get some honey mixed in with my buttermilk, and I fold in dried cherries and pistachios. Put a little bit of sear on it and straight into the oven.
I'm making orange zested cream puffs filled with a Spanish windtort orange mascarpone. Pâte à choux takes a lot of technique. Pâte à choux is also a huge risk because you have got to get your measurements just right. And I want to show the judges that I like a challenge. I'm ready to take it all.
We gotta go, go, go. 2 minutes.
Plates, plate it up, plate it up.
All right, chefs, final seconds of the final round here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Way to go, chef.
Chef Bree, please tell us what you've made.
Judges, before you, you have a orange churro with pistachio cream ganache with a dusting of the fried bologna, toasted pistachios, and cinnamon over top. This was not my original dessert, but this is where we landed.
Finally, Chef Andrew.
Chefs, you have honey cornbread with pistachio cream and bologna brittle. This is my attempt at putting more of my history on the plate.
Chef Bree, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Bree, in the first round, your shrimp fritter felt incomplete. In the dessert round, you challenged yourself with a difficult task of making pâte à choux. All the flavors were there, it just wasn't executed right. And so we had to chop you. But just please keep doing what you're doing in the way you're doing it, with your heart and the soul.
Oh, I'm never gonna stop. I might get dirty, but I'm gonna keep going. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
And that means, Chef Andrew Sargent, you are the chopped champion. Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nicely done.